What a go on, people? Whoops, I can't see my face. Wagwan! Happy International Women's Day. How y'all doing, queens? How y'all doing, kings? Yes. Well, come on for wish you guys a happy International Women's Day to our beautiful queens out there.
Absolutely.
We know that every day should be Women's Day. What them for? I give her one day. Yeah? Women International Day every day, my love. Every day. Every day. Every day a woman give birth, right? Every day we're strong. Yes? You know what I'm saying? Every day women go through. Every day a woman go through all kind of trials and tribulation. You know what I mean? It have to be me, but me know. Me know. Yes. So we women go through a lot. So every day it's a Women's Day. Yeah, women bring life into the world. Yeah, we know, so we need a man to make it happen. Yes, we are aware of that. But we get the swollen foot, the back pain,
the big belly,
everything. You know what I mean? Women out there now, I got through heartbreak. Women have
to go with a pregnancy.
Women have to fight for relationship. I fight for loyalty. I fight for one little conversation. Lord, every day I same thing.
I fight for equal rights with pay.
Every day I same thing.
Yeah.
Women out there I got through. So every day a woman day.
Some women out there I fight for them life.
You know what I'm saying? Yes, you have women out there in an abusive relationship right now.
Yeah.
Sometimes you hear women out there say, them no need a man. Sometimes them are not really true. You know, them need a man. Them want a man, not need. Sometimes you hear them say they don't want a man. But in reality, they do, some of them. But they're just tired for fight. They want somebody to fight for them. They're just tired. Tired. Just tired. You understand? They're just tired. Yes. So every day, Women's Day, in my opinion. So how you all doing out there? Yes. One time they fight for them relationship. Them a fight because them qualify for a job, but because them a woman, them can't get a promotion.
Yeah, sometimes even more qualified than the man that gets the position.
Exactly. Every day is something that go on with a woman. When they're not in an abusive relationship, some of them a walk around with all this hurt from childhood, from being molested, from being abused. Some of them are going to go to them grave without telling them story because them still can't, they still can't find the strength to do it because them afraid of being judged. You understand? Them just afraid. Them still so embarrassed. Them still blame themselves. You know what I'm saying?
They don't understand how they could ever put themselves in that situation.
Them blame themselves.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So just so much goes on with women. But the thing is, women are so strong. We are strong. And some of us don't know our powers until them put we in a hot water. We're coming like teabag. We don't know our strength till them put we in a hot water. Yes. But we are strong. Yes, we're strong
mentally.
We are strong mentally, physically, because giving birth, them men, they could never handle it. Because with a headache, them go like them a baby. Yeah? And that are nothing in comparison to giving birth to a child. So we're strong, but a lot of us don't know our strength. Yes, we don't know our strength.
We go through some hard times. You have single parents out there. Go through some hard times.
Single mothers.
Go through some hard times to fight to get through, to make sure that their kids have a meal, make sure that they have clothes on their back, a roof over their head. Every day they fight.
So much. So queens out there, ladies out there, know how strong you are. We got through discrimination. A man can walk around with him big old gut on the beach. And nobody no judge him. But make a woman, she could have just give birth or have 4 or 5 picnic, and they expect you to look like a beauty, a fashion model.
And expect you for, after you carry that child, expect you to lose the weight quick. And then that happen like that on a solo work.
You know, they expect you to have stretch mark.
No.
And then the worst thing about it is us ladies who get up and judge each other. You know, and understand that we're all in this thing together. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
Men can get up and then can walk around without shirt. But make all one of your nipples slip out are the biggest deal that in the world.
Or you go to the beach and you wear a 2-piece and you have a little belly. Everybody gossip and a laugh and like it's a big deal.
Yes, so women, we know. Yes, some of us go on like say we don't know. Yes, and we go on like say we not go through the same struggles. It not to be everything, but at some point in time, we all got through something similar in our life. Yes, at some point. Yes, we all cry. Then they try to say you're weak when you cry. No, you're not weak when you cry. That's an emotion. It's same way laughing is an emotion. Crying is an emotion.
Yeah.
You understand? And enough away, get up and I play strong. And something hurt when I want to cry. But it's okay to cry. Release, my queen. Whenever you're hurting, don't let nobody tell you say you're weak because you cry. You're releasing. Yes, you're releasing whatever pain you're feeling inside, internal pain. And sometimes people bottle these things up, and that's why you have so much angry people out there. Yes, you have so much hungry ladies out there who pick on other people, were happy because they've bottled so much stuff inside. And the simplest thing, trigger it off. You understand? Yeah, me talk to the queens tonight. Don't make nobody tell you, so because you cry, you're weak. That's an emotion. Laughing is an emotion. Crying is an emotion. Yes? And guess what? We might speak different languages, but we all cry in the same language. And we all laugh in the same language. Yes. So, like, yes, too many of us walking around with bottled up emotions because of things that we've been through, and we felt like if we cry or if we talk about it, we're viewed as weak. But you're not weak. That's an outlet right there to cry. Release it. Let it go. Yes, because as women, we go through a lot. We have cycles every month. We have cycles. Some we have some cramp, you see. Lord Jesus, me don't know for nobody, but for me cramp them. Locks, me have to put for my stomach up to the wall where it's cold. Find a cold part on the wall and put my stomach, literally squeeze up my stomach on the wall to feel better. Yes, I mean, know what if a woman out there with terrible menstrual pain.
And for some women it's heat. They have to use heat on them stomach or on them back. They get the back pain to go with it instead the back pain. It's,
you know what I'm saying? We got through a lot. Yes. But to all you beautiful queens that are watching me tonight, you are strong. Be bold in your strength. Don't let because you speak up, people think, oh, you're arrogant or you know, your voice too loud. Take it down a notch. No. Be bold. Be fierce. Be confident. And be you. Yes? And whatever storm you have got through, you're strong enough to go through it.
Yes.
Believe me.
Yes.
Yes, you're strong enough to go through it.
And just remember, sometimes when you have failures, that failure gives you the strength to get through other things in life. It makes you into the queen that you are today. Just remember, some of the things that you've gone through, it makes you stronger. You don't realize it when you're going through it, that you'll ever get through it. It gives you the strength. You don't realize how much strength you have in that moment. And when you get through it and can look back on the situation and say, wow, how did I get through that? It gives you the strength and makes you the person that you are today and helps you to deal with future situations coming.
And that's how you gain wisdom too.
Yes.
From your experiences in life. Yes. And you gain, just like you gain strength from the obstacles you face in life. Yes. So big up to all my queens out there tonight. And we are on here to cheers to you.
Yes.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
To you.
To you.
Yes.
Queens.
Queens. That's what you are in my eyes.
Yes.
Yes, a queen. Yes. We're not out here to be envious of anyone. That's not in my DNA. I'm out here to straighten another queen,
crown.
another woman's crown.
Yeah.
Only when people mess with me, when me not trouble them, yeah, me have to stand up and defend myself. And I will always defend another queen that I see greatness in. Yes, and a good queen who does goodness, good things. Yes, that's what I will continuously stand up for. Not somebody out there trying to bring anybody down. Yes, yes. Big up on yourself. I'm there. Just come there, the queens. Me there a barbecue chicken, but when I eat it tonight, after tomorrow, me have a new grill, and we decide to test it out. So me season them meat here, them chicken here from them season since yesterday, and we decide say me gonna do it tonight. Cause I'm gonna give Vanilla some for bring home. Me gonna have it with salad. But me want to show you this grill just in case anybody want to get an inside grill. This is a smokeless inside grill. Right? And my husband got this, and it is so good. It's very quiet. It doesn't smoke up your house. If you're not feeling I have a grill in the backyard, but it rain, I'm gonna want to go in the back and it's cold. So if you don't want to go outside, for the people here and it's cold, this is a great alternative to have inside. Like me say, it no smoke. It gives you that grill mark on your meat and all of that.
You want me to bring the camera down?
Please do. Yes.
Cheers and bench. They said cheers and bench.
Cheers and bench. Yes. You have to bring it up. They're not gonna see it from there. You have to take it down.
Oh.
So I can show them the grill.
All right. Hold on.
Yeah. So I want to show you this grill. I just put in the chicken in here. And see, it's very nice. It fit quite right now me have what?
And you have that nice elegant smell in your house.
Elegant smell.
The aroma.
I didn't know smell was elegant, but thank you.
It smells good.
All right. So we have so it comes, you have the temperature control right here, guys. And it has a fan on it. And you have your, of course, obviously your power button, and it's very quiet, no smoke at all. I just put the chicken in. It has a little drawer right here that you that all like the grease and stuff from it. It catches all the grease from the chicken in here. Yes, I put a little bit of water in this this little compartment here. Yes, but it's very, very good. So I'm here barbecuing chicken. Yes, and I don't have to be outside on the grill to do it. I could do it in the oven, but this give it that grill factor. You know the grill factor, like when you do it on a grill outdoor. That's the grill factor it gives you. Yes, and you can put it in your cupboard when you're done. You know, if you have to take up your counter space. You know, me like kitchen gadgets. Yeah, although, you know, me get them and then use them for a while, and then after that, it's like me excited about them when them new, and then after
it's that new factor.
Yeah, me go back to my regular thing, because me have that George Foreman rotisserie thing and use it few times, and I can't tell you all when last me used it.
I was just gonna ask you, do you remember the last time?
I cannot tell you all when last we use it, but I be kind of new, me excited, but wait, get a few months, me forgot about it. Yeah, so we're definitely here tonight, and yeah, you can get it. Me not sure which part my husband buy it. Me not sure. Me not sure. Me should I find that out before me introduce you to it, right? That it don't make sense.
Yeah.
So if you don't want it, you could look for it and buy it. But me don't know which part buy it. Me just think it's really cool. Yeah. So, yeah, we had the barbecue chicken. I mean, I have mines tomorrow with salad for my lunch. Yeah, and it goes all the way up to 450 degrees. Right now, I have it at 350. So if more, and it's all touch, you know. If I want, I can make it higher, which I need to. Yeah. So me have the barbecue chicken. Yeah, for tomorrow, not for tonight. Too late for me to eat.
Smells very good.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing here, and just decided to come on and big you guys up.
Yes.
Yeah, big you up. Big you up. Never find out when my husband get it, and next time when I come back on live, me tell you guys. Yeah.
They said they like that too, excited in the moment.
Yeah,
when I
like
get it.
With everything as some steer. Everything as some steer. Me can't just continue to just be excited over. If a new car, first couple of weeks, me excited. Then after that, me start treat the car bad. Yeah, as some steer. Coffee a spill in there. Me cannot keep a neat car. You gotta find coffee in there. You gotta find a pair of extra shoes in there. You gotta find paperwork sit down panny. You car seat in there. But you gotta find all kind of setting. And me way I'll coffee where I'll spill, juice spill. It not stay pretty. And me can't be like Mike will take care of vehicle like that. Me can't do it. That's why I not like driving car. I not like driving car because I'm too peculiar with him car. You understand? Nothing can spill in there. He go like he car and girlfriend. You know what I mean? When he come home, him look on me and me can't bother. Me can't treat things like that.
Can't have no dust on
No,
it.
and he not no feelings. Me can't treat nothing like that when I have no feelings. You understand? It have feelings to me treat it so.
And I just the inside and treats all the outside too.
Me not understand.
The whole
You
entire
can't
car.
Slam me damn car.
No.
Why you can't slam a door? You know, me can't do it.
Take time with the door. Take time.
with
Take
the door.
time.
You know what I mean? When me driving car, me nervous, you see.
Me too.
Yeah, if no want me park it under a tree and then bird go shit panny. Like it can't wash. You know what I'm saying?
Or you drive on the highway and then you're afraid that a rock's gonna kick up.
Yeah,
and you're gonna blame you.
Yeah. And I'm gonna blame me. Something. Whenever I'm a pressure, me for driving, me not driving car, me stay with for my car because me can't do anything with it. Me not give a crap.
They want to know if that's a Power XL grill.
Yes, it's a Power XL grill. Yes. Yes. Yes, it's a Power XL grill. Yes, so me can't treat nothing. Me can't.
It's vanity.
Yeah, that's in no feelings.
No.
So me can't continue for your baby the thing. You understand?
Yeah.
Me will well want all a shoes, a nice pair of shoes, and me will get it. And once me wear it, which part me need for wear it to, me will broke on the back of it. As some stay.
You know, say me have shoes. Me say, God, me need these shoes, and me get the shoes, and you know, say, oh no, me no wear it.
Mike
see I'm wearing.
Mike say, me can't believe you pressure me for them damn expensive shoes there. And then turn around, you talk about shoes are bunny and you broke down your back. I just some still me can't steal like baby anything when I have feelings. You understand?
Yeah.
It's a personal, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You treat it special.
Yes, because like when I have my granddaughter and she there, it's like me don't want to move and leave her. It's like, you know what I mean? Me don't want to move.
Even if she fall asleep.
Even if she fall asleep, we will go peek and make sure she really asleep before me come out that room and go do something else. Yes. Yeah, because she has feelings. Yes.
You say, let me run go to the bathroom while she asleep.
Let me run go to the bathroom while she asleep. But things when I have feelings, man, once we get excited, feet a little bit. Count upon it. You not lost.
Yeah.
Not lost. Not gonna last. Yeah. So, that's it. You can put up back the camera. Yeah. We just want to show them like a grill. And the magic over there. Good evening, Audrey. Talk about it sound like my husband. Why them have to behave so with them vehicle? You know, why them have to behave so? Me not understand it. Me can't do it. I cannot do it. And I all of them were a vehicle still like that.
True.
Yeah, because that's the same way Tajay is.
Tajay's like that.
Yeah.
Clifford's like that.
In one of them, is it a man thing? Yeah.
Like
Do you have ladies on here where so anal about them vehicle like a man? Yeah?
My car will say, they will clean it for me, actually.
Yeah, me use the bathroom with the door open, yes, because my granddaughter there. It's like me afraid fella. Not to mention the first time me have her. Oh my God. That was something else. I would not put down the child if me bring her all in her bathroom with me and bring her little it's something where her mother put her in a man. I don't know, it's like it look like a bassinet thing. Me bring it right in her bathroom and put it on top of the sink while me use the bathroom. Yes. Me now move. Man, and that night, the first night she spent the night here with me.
Oh my gosh, I remember you telling me about that.
I stayed all the way up till morning. And I did not put her on my bed as big as my bed is. Me say me now put her upon it because what if we got turn and we got roll upon her? What? Me know.
Self-conscious, you're gonna know she's there.
I know, but yes, I'm in a sleepy all night. Remember me tell you? No. But guys, like how it's Women International Day night now, I want to remind you guys of the pageant.
Yes.
All right? I'm going to stop reminding you guys of the pageant. Make sure if you want to enter, you sign up for it, please. And
don't forget
thanks.
to send the videos.
Don't forget to send the video clip. Remember, it's $500.
First prize, $500.
Second prize, $250. Third prize is $100. Yes. So don't forget to sign up for it. And don't talk about you're not modeling material and this and find all the excuses in the world not to do it. Even though in your heart you want to do it. Step out of your comfort zone and do it. The worst thing can happen, you don't win, but so what? You have to be in it to win it. And how will you know if you're not the winner if you don't participate? You understand? It's not all about looks. It's about confidence. It's about personality. You understand? So
don't think you have to be a certain size. None of that.
None of that. And you don't have to wear a two-piece. You understand? You don't have to, if you're not comfortable with a two-piece, you don't have to wear a two-piece. I know that we said swimsuit, but you know them have swimsuit nowadays, make all different type of way. Like I said, it's about personality, that person that can captivate the audience.
You rock it.
And rock whatever
attire
you're
wear.
in with confidence.
Absolutely.
That's what it's all about. I want to bring out the confidence in someone. Yes. 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 So, you never know until you try.
That's right.
Yes. So, step out of your comfort zone, my queens. Yes. And give it a chance. Remember, submit your videos on WhatsApp to us in WhatsApp. Don't do it in Messenger. Messenger is crazy. Do it in WhatsApp. We check our WhatsApp every weekend. So, when you reach out to us, even if you see we don't respond, that means we haven't checked it. We check it on weekends, all right?
Sam said she used to bathe with her kids in the bathroom when they were young. Now, she'll run them out of the bathroom.
Of course. Yes, because they're not young no more.
Right.
Yes, and they're no teens now.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
That's what it's all about. Let me tell you. Yeah. One time she there, man. I don't leave her an inch. Yes. But with other things.
It's like that new mother feeling all over again.
Thank you, Nation. Henry, big up yourself. I could big up some queens. Yes, we'll big you guys up. We love it. Big up with queens. Yeah, make a mess. Yeah. We love to big up with queens. So I could give you some shout out for International Women's Day. Yes. Ardette.
Ardette, big up Ardette.
Yes, I have to lay on the floor. You have to lay on the floor. Is that when you have your cycle because of cramp? Yeah, yes, man. May have to use eating pad. May have to find the coolest. Me go up. Me prefer on the floor too. Yeah, I'm just like you. I prefer on the floor. And when I go up on the floor, me find the coolest part on the wall. If I put my stomach up to it, yes, it's bad. It's severe. Yeah, it's bad. When I have my cycle, the cramp is bad. There are times that I literally can't even get up. Yes, yes. And I used to cry and beg God for just make it go and never come back. Yeah. It's bad. I get pain in my lower abdomen and my lower back and in my legs, cramping in my legs and in my boobs. Awful. Yes. So I know what ladies, you ladies go through, the one that have bad menstrual pain. Yeah. Bad. Yes. There are times when I just can't do anything. I just have to lay down, yes, from the shower to my bed, and all my appetite gone. Yeah, it's that bad. It's that bad. Yeah, so we go through a lot. We go through a lot. Yeah, because I used to not get my cycle every month. It used to take a while, sometimes all 3 months. Yeah. And then they put me on birth control trying to regularize my cycle. And the birth control let me gain a lot of weight from taking it. So I stopped taking the birth control. Yeah, because it made me put on a lot of weight.
I had that problem too. And with all 3 of my kids, I missed the first trimester because I didn't know I was pregnant. With all 3 of my kids. Yeah. Yeah.
So I understand and know what you ladies are what some of you ladies are going through with terrible periods. Yes.
Yes.
Trust me. And it used to be so heavy. Oh my God. I remember one time that long years ago, when we decided to drive, when I lived in New Hampshire, we decided to drive to New York.
Yeah.
Mike and I. And back from New York, my cycle decided, because I could never tell when it all comes.
Right.
So I always have to travel with stuff just in case.
Me too.
Yes. And let me tell you, when I got home, good thing, our vehicle had the leather seat. When I got home with Mike and we're pulling out that driveway and I come out, it's like somebody got murdered on my seat. Yes. And thank God for the husband when I have. Him like, I got it. Yeah.
Go take care of yourself.
Yeah. He's like, I got it. Man, me glad when they stop nowhere. Because if we did ever stop anywhere, trust me.
You wouldn't have been able to get out of the car.
I wouldn't be able to get out of the car.
No.
Would not be able to get out of the car. Yeah. So.
The things women have to go through.
I know. So. Good night, Valerie.
Novelette.
Me too, breast tender, foot cramp, belly pain, headache. All of the above, me have it. Yes.
Yeah.
Me have it too, man. There are times when I couldn't go to work because when I'm on my cycle, I just can't. I just can't.
Yeah.
I just couldn't. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot better now, but I still get the pain.
Yeah, you
I
do.
still get the pain, but it's not, the flow is not like in the past when we used to have them terrible heavy flows. Yeah, I understand. But me know some ladies, man, that's the one them will have fibroid.
Yes.
Yeah. Give me fiber.
Fibroid.
Fibroid, right. You know, that says that they have crazy flows. You understand?
Yeah.
One of my friend told me that she went out and at some event, and when she looked down at her foot, she could just see it flowing down. In a public, you know? In a public.
Wow.
Yes. That's sad. That is sad. So the things women have to endure and go through, you know? Bad flow. Yeah.
You have those women that know exactly when it's gonna come. They can say, okay, this is the day it's gonna come. I can't do that. Mine's all over the place.
Yeah, I couldn't do that either. I can't. I couldn't do that. But now, when I'm getting mine, I'll start feel like my boobs start getting tender.
I don't even have that.
I started getting like I feel cramps coming on in my lower back, so I know that's an indication that it's coming. But before, and my body just kept changing. You understand?
Yeah.
It just kept changing, and now I can tell. In the past, I couldn't.
I still can't.
I couldn't. I always had to travel with feminine product. Always. Always. Because I wouldn't be able to tell when it's coming.
Even if it's you know, I have to have.
Marlene said I can attest to that. Severe pain I had for fibroid and did surgery. Yes, I heard that people who have ladies who have fibroid, they go through bad pain and extremely heavy flows. Yes, so those are just some of the things that us women have to go through. I have bad cramps with heavy flow. Faithia, that's what she said. Yes, I used to have the ridiculous flows, honey. Ridiculous. Like wherever no matter if I do the overnight, me used to put on some big pad, long from one end to the other, me I tell you. The tightest ratted underwear. Yes, and put on like, you know, the cycling.
The cycling shorts?
The cycling shorts and was suck on.
Yeah.
And go to bed. You wear me have to pad up to go to bed. And still get up in the morning. And sometimes, and it look like somebody commit murder. Which farm asleep.
Dang.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah. You know much sheet and comforters me just throw away.
Yeah.
Because me just can't bother. Yeah.
And blood isn't easy.
Yeah. I do me just not like blood. I do feel me blood, but me just couldn't stand it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not to mention when you have all them clots that come down.
Yes.
At that time it feel like your stomach are rip out, you know, man.
Yes.
You come like sitting in there just a crab off. It walls and your inside your stomach.
Like somebody had take on sitting and twist it some more and just twist.
Yes.
I'm like, damn, man.
Disgusting.
This thing ever go away.
Disgusting. And when me at work, I used to have them every floor. Me always just have to go, but every time I just have to go bathroom.
Constantly.
Because I'm so self-conscious.
Yeah.
And the fact that I don't want, you know, anything.
Yeah.
Me always get up on my desk. And good thing when I work around the body, me always get up and look behind. Make sure me got the bathroom constantly.
Yeah.
Make sure me have everything me need. Never
yeah.
walk with a bag for feminine product. Yeah. I have to have my wipes. You know what I mean?
have to have wipes.
I have to have my wipe. I have to have the freshen up spray and powder. Always. Yeah. Because that crap can chafe you if you don't change regularly.
Of course.
And that crap can
make you
smell. That thing
will make you smell.
Yeah, that shit will make you stink.
Of course.
Yes. Dry blood, that crap stink. Yes. That make you stink, man. So you have to change regularly and take care of down there. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Because I used to go bathroom and let me tell you what other female use, and it used to, you just smell disgusting like some dead fish. Like some rotten dead fish and that. I'm like, Jesus Christ. No, sir. Yeah. Some rotten dead fish. Me I tell you now, rotten.
True.
Yeah. Smell bad. Yeah. You have to take, as women, you have to take care of your body. You understand?
True, Monique. That's reason why some women are so anemic.
Yeah.
Because they bleed so much.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to take care of yourself, especially, you know, when you're on your cycle.
You do.
Not only on your cycle. You have to take care of your, your vajayjay and keep it clean. Because let me tell you, I know every woman keep down there so clean.
No.
Because I've walked into stalls behind women and I know that something smell like it are rotten. Like it are rotten.
Like dead fish.
And I'm like, how can you walk around with your body smelling like that?
You can't smell yourself?
And you can't smell yourself?
Right.
No. You have to wash your vagina, make sure you dry that thing properly. You know, if you're too bushy, shave it down. Because all that air sweats. You understand? Me's a bally. It's straight up ball.
Me
ball.
too. Me
ball.
too.
It ugly but me ball it. Me not think vagina pretty. Me not care what nobody say. Yeah, me not care what nobody say. Me not think it pretty. Yeah.
Me not think it pretty neither.
Yeah.
Me ball for mine off too. Me not let no hair grow.
Me not think it pretty. Me think that shit ugly.
Ugly.
It ugly. It ugly.
Ugly. Mavic,
ugly.
but it ugly.
Yeah, it ugly. Ain't nothing pretty about it.
No, sir.
Yeah, me take mirror and look on it. And it ugly. Yeah. And me keep it bald.
Anybody think so for them one pretty?
Me keep it
Them want to
bald.
know.
Me keep it bald. It's a baldhead. It's not a dreadlocks. It's a baldhead.
It's a baldhead.
Yes, it's a baldhead. Yeah. And when you keep it bald, you're in a sweat as much if you're a person that sweats. You understand? Yeah, me know, me, especially in the summertime, me sweat. So me just keep it bald and done. Yeah. Just keep it bald and done.
Me too.
Me just make Mike shave it. Yeah. Shave it all the time.
Me shave
and
for
me
me.
shave mine too. Sometimes
shave it for me.
when I want a good shave, yeah, I might shave it. Yes. You have to keep it. Yeah, it's a ballad. It's not a dreadlocks. It's a ballad.
Baldy.
Yeah. But you have to keep it clean, and when you wash it, you have to...
says she had to do surgery upon hers, make it pretty.
Me not think you're going to find a pretty one. It's ugly. It's ugly. Me not ask. It's ugly.
The ugly man.
Yeah. No wonder why men fight over it because ugly. It's a ugly wretch.
So the ugly.
Ugly.
It's an ugly sitting there.
Yeah, ugly sitting. God know what did I do when he put it all the way
All
down
the way
there.
down there. I'm not going to hide it.
Ugly.
Make sure we have clothes to put over it. It can't be out in the open.
Yeah. It ugly. Remember me tell you. You know, first time me take a mirror and really notice it. Me said, Jesus Savior, what a ugly thing. Good thing then God name put in my forehead. You know what me that do? Hide that crap.
A good thing, man.
Yeah, a good thing.
Ugly. Ugly bad.
It ugly. And me see some ugly and for me now, some look like rat bat. Yeah. Me see someone look like rat bat, man. You never watch porn movie. I see someone look like rat bat. And it both were in there, look, it both look damaged. Yeah. It both look like it wreck. And they call it clitoris, it both, you know. Yeah, it both look like it turn over. And somebody did that try pull out the boat. Yeah, it both wreck. And then they try pull it out. So it long out, it outside. Yeah, it outside. Me see them there. Pum Pum. Me not lie, me see Pum Pum. Me not see it in a reel. Nobody not skin out them VJG and show me. But me see it in a porn. And it ugly.
Yeah, ugly.
Ugly. Yeah.
Pum Pum ugly.
Yeah, Pum Pum ugly.
Not ugly, a mugly.
It ugly man.
Yeah.
Ugly little rich. Yeah. I wonder why he hide. Yeah. Ugly little rich. Son bitch. Ugly.
You say only the true planner knew where he was getting it from.
Yeah. Sitting ugly man.
Yeah, man, it ugly.
Yeah.
Ugly bud.
Me yet to see a pretty one. Yeah. It might pretty on top. You know what I mean? Because some of we creative and we shave out our little heart on the top there. You know what I mean? Because we want to look pretty. We want to pretty it up. Yeah. On top look pretty. But take a mirror. And get a good look.
Skin out.
Skinny out.
Skin out.
You frighten the hell out of you.
Skin out didn't see
You
it pretty.
frighten the hell out of you. You're
No,
not
sir.
here. Yes.
That's it, not pretty, none at all.
Not pretty.
No.
Not pretty at all. No, sir. No. For my niece now, you can't tell her say she fear or not pretty. Lie she tell me no ugly too. Can't talk about fear pretty. Me never see one pretty one yet. Yeah. Never. Ugly in the backside. Yeah. Mugly. They say with me now with me nose itself. They say, well, if me can go to doctor, go do pop smear and doctor look all the way up in there. Maybe give myself a little, you know, let me do a little examination.
Self-examination.
Yes.
A self-exam.
Me go draw in mirror. And when me put in mirror and say, me say, Jesus Christ, come out from me.
You cut off your foot when you don't.
Yeah, me say, come out from my body. Come out. Come out, Father. Me. Come out. If I could not take you, I'll flee you. Yeah. Come out. What happened up there? Come out.
You cock up your foot when you don't put the mirror.
No, ask me no question. You cock up for your foot when you do fear.
Yes.
When you come.
No cock up the foot
When you
when
not
you
talk
look.
about fear.
No cock up your foot when we look.
When you
No,
not-
ask you what it look like.
When you not
put
talk
the foot
about
on the
fear.
counter.
Yeah.
Put the mirror down there. It's like, holy Jesus.
Some
No
fear
cock.
ugly too.
You're ugly, man.
You ugly.
You're ugly.
Mm.
They say, holy Jesus, they're sitting there. No, sir. The good thing is way down there.
Yeah.
And they have clothes over it.
Fear white pork. Lord Jesus. And it white and bright. It must white and bright. So ugliness must show up extra.
It no matter what color it is, they're ugly.
Okay, me just want to know. Me just want things that somebody want uglier than for me. You understand? Yeah.
They're ugly. Pum Pum ugly, man. Pum Pum ugly.
Feel bright and ugly.
All of them ugly.
For
No
me,
matter what color it is, I'm ugly.
for me dark, you know.
Dark and ugly.
For me dark.
Dark and
For me
ugly.
dark.
Dark and ugly.
No, so.
It's dark and ugly.
No, feel bright when
It
Clifford
don't matter.
got enough bright, so ugliness just lick him.
It
But
don't matter.
at least, if my turn off, it turn off the light, you know. You know, he You're not going to scare off your bright. You was
It
bright.
don't matter.
Like,
It don't matter, it's still ugly.
oh, Jesus. Why?
It don't matter, it's
I
still
cannot
ugly.
manage. I cannot manage. I cannot
It's still ugly, no matter how you look on it. Who say for them pretty?
Oh, pretty pum pum in our feet.
They have nice head
Oh,
of hair.
pretty pum pum in our feet. Step up, I could see you. Call me. Anybody who have a pretty pum pum, call me. Oh, no, sir. Me can't manage. Who have pretty pum pum in our feet? Who have pretty
Susan.
Susan, you're coming like the beast about fear pretty. Ain't pretty what? Pretty what?
She say for me pretty, they have a nice head of hair.
Nice.
And eyelashes.
Oh, fear dreadlocks. See me a ballad. So you know a ballad sure. You understand? You
Baldy.
You can't hide behind a bush. Yeah? I hide behind bush. Yeah? Take off the bush. And you will see how pretty it is. Yeah? Take off the bush. Trim what? Use one machete. Yeah. And chop the bush. Chop down the bush. And you will see. When it come out that bush. You better not have a heart attack. You go wonder if I do that walk around with that. Yeah.
You have to make sure. You see if you shave it nice and clean,
Yeah.
clean like Mr. Clean with a bald head, shine,
Yes,
bald
you have
head.
to do it shine. That's the only way to go. You have to do it shine.
Put baby, and then after you shave it, put baby oil on it. Yeah.
Especially if you only like talk about nyamming mackerel. You can't give no ear in mackerel. Yeah. You can't give nobody no mackerel with ear in there. Yeah.
Velrica. I was pretty before birth.
Pretty before birth.
She said
it
it
be
was
all
pretty
the long
before
time. Yes.
All of a sudden it changed because of birth. It did ugly
It be
before.
ugly long time. Yes. Ugly long time.
No, sir.
It just must show up the ugliness more. Yeah, but it is ugly from morning.
Yeah.
Yes. Ugly. Muggly. You hear me? Oh, turn that about not pretty pum pum. Well, lie. Lie. Me yet 51. We're pretty.
Susan says she knows that ugly body.
Susan, I don't know what getting on me. I feel like me an OBGYN. I'm an OBGYN myself. Lord Jesus. No. Me say no, I can't permit you there. Come out. Get out. Go somewhere else. No.
No, sir.
But man, them remember me had this conversation with me nephew them in Chicago, and then claim
Yes,
them
remember
claim
that
say them
conversation.
pretty. Like
Yeah.
prettiest thing.
Then
on
say that's
earth.
the prettiest thing.
Like prettiest
And they
thing.
say any man who say pum pum the pretty, I lie them at
Yes, them things are Mike so I pretty something, Miss a pretty. For not tasting a prettiness.
I'm not sitting there for pretty.
Yeah,
Ugly
if
man.
one things are not pretty. Yeah. May I tell you?
They're sitting there, ugly man.
It ugly. Bally off. I don't wonder where I cover it with the bush. And things say it pretty because bush. And you probably have like all me, you know. Cause you no probably don't know. But me have a like an Indian, you know me. Me no get enough of Indian for my head. Me get most of Indian in my eyebrow, right? And down there, so. So pretty Indian ear them did lay down. And all this time I think me da walk around with something pretty. Until me go shave it off. Jesus take the wheel. No, take it whole damn car. Me said Jesus had that did I hide? Why? What a sin thing ugly.
You know, say some people grow them hair down there long till them turn out plaited.
Why would you grow it till you
Me
can't
just
braid?
tell you, some people grow them sitting long. Then you shave it, then you shape it up, then just leave it bush.
Along? Oh, you know. Yes, which part
You
you
see
see?
it on porn.
Pum Pum, yeah, me never see porn with nobody with no long ear.
Yes.
Porn they always a shave off them front pan porn. And what kind of porn you watch? What kind of porn you watch?
Go see that.
Which porn you ever watch? Where people, where a woman them from bush up till they can braid it. Vanilla says she watch one. Where they can braid it. Vanilla lie, man.
Some people grow them hair long.
Then ear on the head, tucked into damn champagne, then line up outside. Me never watch no porn when nobody pum pum ear long till he can braid. Because when you sound you look like you make it sound like they can catch you up with bubbles too. No,
really?
No.
You know some people that do not believe in shaving down there.
Yes, vanilla. Vanilla, you make it sound. Vanilla, you make it sound like it long like a ear on your head.
No, man. What me I say is, if all them years there, since you go through puberty till you're in your 40s, 50s, 60s, and you don't cut it none at all.
So them ear they not grow. No, them ear they not grow past a certain extent, vanilla. They not go grow like your ear on your head till you can catch you up with bubbles.
But you have some people that have short hair and them can short hair like this long.
Vanilla, they can't braid it, vanilla. You're lying, no man.
No, man.
When I come take vanilla,
No, man. You have some people whose hair grow.
Vanilla, I don't know which one you are what.
Which one
you are what? What kind of porn vanilla I watch?
Them plaited, then dreaded,
with people with long ear on them front till they can braid it and catch you up with bubbles.
You have some people that don't believe in a doing nothing down there. See? Sam said that threw me at all.
Some young vanilla sit down and watch the same porn with people with rasta on them pum pum. Eh? No, sir. Me not believe that. Me not believe that at all. No, me not believe that. Till you can braid it.
See? Lisa said it's true. She tried it herself.
So Lisa, you walk around with long ear like a vanilla up on her head where you can catch up with bubbles down there, sir?
Sam said see them afro ones too.
Afro? Like when up on my head? No pum pum that have this amount of
Maybe
ear
not
on
that
the
long.
head. Oh, no lie!
But the space is small.
Jesus!
So all they have to do is let it grow out a little bit and it
So
looks
you
like
tell
an
me
afro.
somebody walk with this much ear in them panty
Not that much. It's short, but to it's in a smaller space. It bush like afro.
like afro.
Yes. It bush
Jesus
like afro.
Christ.
And a lie me I tell.
Me I forgot seeing is believing that.
Lisa said
like the ear from me head.
Lisa said-
Afro me I wear.
Lisa said she tried it.
She try what?
To braid it.
To catch you up with bubbles and braid it?
Yes.
Why would she grow it so long to catch you up with bubbles and I want braid it? Eh?
I don't know, maybe she just wanted to see
in nappy or she permit. She relaxing. Might as well you relax and set and put setters on it then.
You can't
Since people
relax
walk
it.
around with all of that.
No, man, you can't relax it. That's
But
too
if-
much.
but-
Chemical. That's.
But if way you talk, it coming like that can be done. Like they need to go to beauty salon, go wash it and put it in a setters and blow it out. Yeah.
I mean, maybe if they had some little tiny, mini, like master
Me not believe
baker
you no
size-
liar.
Maybe
Nobody
if
now
they had
walk around
master
with someone.
baker size setters, you know, master baker loves everything little. Maybe then them could roll it.
But what's the purpose? I feel wash this ear down there and put in a setters and blow it out. Why purpose of that?
Maybe they want. I don't know.
Jesus, me not believe
Maybe
that.
they want it straight. They want to try different styles with it. Spiky.
Why would you want to try a different style with it? And it hide in a baggie.
I don't know. Maybe for the man.
So what man I gonna do? And be like, that's a nice ear do?
I guess.
And that them man I gonna do?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a nice vagina do tonight, baby. I like the way you style your vagina. Yeah, you style it nice. Next time give it a bang. And that young said next time give it a bang or you know what I mean? Anybody grow them no, nobody not do that, vanilla. Me not believe that.
Just to tell you.
Vanilla, me not think nobody grow their ear so long for
Nick
braid.
Taylor says Sam said she tried it.
Some I take side with you. Me not believe some do all of that either. Because
Then you have to call him and
what's the purpose? For you show your man say you style your pum pum ear? Eh? You braid it? And you be like, baby, that's a nice style. Really? Next time, put it in two. Next time, do a bang.
Sam said you have men that love hairy front.
I agree. Me no.
So maybe
Listen.
that's why they want to do the afro, the
Me understand say you have
each
man.
side,
Yes.
come down.
Me understand say you have men will like woman with hairy front. What I don't believe is that a woman grow her front vanilla in where you are talk like they can catch you up in a one and then can braid it and then can where you talk you go on like you long like your ear pan your head.
No, man,
That vanilla say people.
No, but never say long like the hair from my head. Me say long.
You
enough.
say long can braid.
All right, so you could have braid something like this.
No, me couldn't braid anything
Yes,
like
you
that.
can braid something this size.
No,
you
me
can
can't
braid that.
braid.
Yes,
No.
you could have braid that.
No.
Yes.
And then you're going to tell me, say,
Yes.
some of them grow it like afro,
Yes.
like where they pan for me head, where they pan me head are afro. Some of them walk around with them baggy front buff up like me ear. No. No. You exaggerate.
Sam said.
Because nobody know out there for fit for me ear.
Sam said some women grow them hair front for make it look like it's fat.
For making
So you know some man like look on woman and say, oh you have a fat pum pum.
Oh, so they make it
extra for make it look like them pum pum fat. And then when they shave it imaga.
Oh, so me kind of understand that now. So
they don't
make
shape
it
it,
buff.
they don't shape it, they just let it go wild.
Make it go wild.
However it grow.
Okay.
You have some cultures that don't believe in doing them sitting down.
Me understand all of that. Me know say you have ear because for me did ear before me cut it. Start shave it. Me understand you have vagina with ear.
Yeah.
Okay, nothing wrong with that as long as you can keep it clean. And it's fine. But the way you talk like say, can I finish my sentence, please? Yeah, the way you talk, you make it look like say that them grow it to the point where you can sit down and cane roll. Enough ear it take for cane roll. And then you said it make it grow in an afro. And afro, when I think about afro, I think about my ear. So I can't believe that somebody walk around with this much ear in a them baggy front.
This much, you can plait this much of your head. Don't.
And you say you see Pum Pum porn movie.
I remember where me see it or me or something.
You already say you know you nobody talk about it. We bust you in your life. We bust you in your life.
Me not member.
We bust you in your life.
But see, Sam say on the line there too.
Some of you that what you see in porn movie.
Susan said she have mohawk on her front.
Mohawk also you shave off the two sides.
And color it.
And you color it? And what you say? Jesus take the wheel.
See?
Me didn't know say vagina out there full of a style now. And what you say?
Yeah, some people do the Brazilian wax.
Yeah, but me didn't know say you sit down and color it. Cause maybe if me did put mine like in a reddish, you know, like it red in my ear.
Yeah.
Maybe that it wouldn't look so ugly.
I mean, some people probably do blue, blonde.
So you do blue and blonde and all them things.
Green, purple.
Green and purple. That shit still have ugly. Me not care where you want put panny. You could me say you could have put in a rainbow. He ugly.
Yeah,
me not care where you want put panny.
Nobody not say it pretty. Nobody not say it pretty.
Yeah. You could have put it in a rainbow. Yeah.
Nobody.
Back where bush. Yeah. All who have a bush. Back where bush and look. If you don't believe me. You not go and run from yourself. Yeah. Back away the bush. And see. Yeah. Yes. Me know it ugly.
Sam said you follow me because she bust out your secret because you used to make it grow for make it look fat.
No, sir, for me naturally fat. For me naturally fat. You understand? Me not have no anorexic. Pony. For me fat. For a long time me fat. Yeah. Before me even fat. I already maga is fat.
Andrew said fur one look good. It's good looking.
Good looking what?
Andrew
Me
said
not care.
her one's good
Me
looking.
say
How good
me
looking,
not
Andrew?
care.
I don't understand that because no matter
Yeah.
what you do, what style you want for put your pum pum hair front, whatever, in a
Me
look
not
good.
care.
Ugly.
It-
Pum pum ugly man.
Ugly. Me not care. Who?
Ugly.
Who tell you say it pretty? Who that the pum pum that spring from? It ugly.
Ugly. And ugly and ugly.
Ugly.
Yes. Ugly bud.
Ugly.
Ugly bud.
Ugly piece of something. Yes. That's why it is so far. You see how far it is? Yes. You see how far it is? Nobody now say it no sweet. Nobody now say it no nice. Nobody now say you know got it going on. But it's a ugly, sweet, nice son of a bitch. Yes.
The man look.
Yes.
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 Yes. That's exactly it.
That's the only way we can describe it. Yes. Nobody now say no sweet. Ain't nobody now say it no nice. All I'm saying, it's not nice looking. That's what I say. Yes. Yes.
No, we don't have to see your pum pum. Pum pum ugly man. We don't have to see your pum pum ugly.
We don't want to see your
man.
pum pum.
Ugly.
We know it ugly.
No matter what you say,
I
ugly.
yet to behold a pretty pum pum.
The ugly man.
Yes,
Pum pum ugly.
I'm sure. Yeah.
Pum
Them
pum
ugly.
ugly.
Ugly, correct bad sinting.
Yes.
Ugly
Yes.
like a sinting.
Ugly.
Like a boat in it. Like a ugly boat. Right. That's a look by yourself. Yeah. Ugly. Ugly. Yeah. Ugly like a sit.
What? Wait.
Me a man and come and sit there and be like, ugly like a sitting there look. Huh? Ugly sitting and look past me. Yeah.
Steer your way.
Yeah. Thank God. I'm going to feel me have to deal with.
Out there said a girl used a hot iron
Uh-huh.
on her pum pum and it swelled and she died.
And when I said she not try to press the ear upon it, then she not just shave it. Why she gonna try to press the ear upon her pum pum?
She wanted it straight.
If you want it,
Maybe it was curly, she wanted it straight.
but Jesus, she wants straighten it and she burn up her pum pum.
Yeah, swell up and she did.
It better she didn't take a chance to put a little bit of you know, perm pan it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Put a little perm pan it. That's it better. But when you go with a comb, go press a pum pum here for. That's a stupidity right there, sir.
That's
Yeah.
ridiculous. That's extreme.
Yeah, and in a few cases, vanilla, with the people that want a long ear pan them pum pum, they could have just put it on iron board and press it because that's how long it seems
Me
like
never
to them
say
board
it
is.
is that long.
Yeah.
Me never say it's that long.
Then we don't have that problem.
No.
All of it go up to the iron board and lay it on it and iron it. Because it seems like a so long and grow
Who knows?
Yeah.
Maybe she could have done that.
Yeah.
Maybe she could have ironed it out on the ironing board.
When you gone with comb, go press the ear for. Pum pum ear for. No, sir. So you want your man to feel the ear nice and smooth and lay down. Oh, you try to impress him with pretty ear.
To impress the man.
What happened?
To impress the man, that's why she did it.
Oh, she impressed him. Alright, she gone want to glory with her ugly pum pum. It's still ugly. And when she left her, he gone. He ugly same way. Not only
Earth to
you can
heaven
make
it
it pretty.
ugly.
Yeah.
Earth to heaven it ugly.
Yeah, gone home. She gone with the ugly said way. You cannot change it. It
I wa-
got ugly. And if you got to surgery upon it, it's still got ugly. It don't,
No matter
as
what you
long
do.
as they make it back and it look like a vagina, it ugly.
Ugly.
It ugly. Yeah. It ugly. I don't care what nobody want to say. A ugly little thin thing. They
It
walk
ugly.
around with.
Bud.
To impress the man. You know, that killed me tonight. Call the I chew me attack. I chew me attack. Me don't know what get up in me. Yeah. I have a nerve. And you have some girl that walk. Then go like them so nice. No matter how pretty their faces. No matter how pretty them look.
No matter how stush them go on.
No matter how stush them go on.
Them Pum Pum ugly.
Yeah. Pum Pum ugly.
Don't matter.
No matter. Ugly.
They could act like them.
And when you hear Vanilla say ugly. Cause
ugly man, ugly. Ugly.
like for your bright or ugly.
It
For me a dark or ugly.
It don't matter, it's still ugly. Them all ugly.
Yeah. Imagine bright or ugly locks.
Bright, medium, dark, in between, and a matter. They ugly.
Yeah.
No matter what the color, they ugly.
I saw it on
Hairy?
TikTok. MEK.
Whether they have hair or it's hairless, they ugly.
You ugly.
No matter what you do to it,
And me think balls ugly too. And not only vagina ugly, me think balls
are ugly too.
ugly.
Yeah, man.
Me not care how firm them is. They are ugly. They remind me of donkey doodle. You know them donkey doodle. Yeah.
Donkey doodle.
Donkey doodle. Balls are ugly.
Balls are ugly. Balls are ugly.
Balls are ugly. So on the kings were in here laugh off of where we ugly pum pum. On the balls ugly. Ugly. Rather than sitting there long down, I don't have to walk around with all the time. Ugly. Yeah.
So
ugly.
you can go on the most way.
Yeah, so now come up in here and laugh. Yeah, laugh about with ugly pum pum. On the balls ugly.
I just say God bless her with a pretty front.
God bless her with a pretty front.
Pretty ugly front.
Pretty ugly front, yes.
Pretty ugly
Pretty
front.
ugly front, yeah. Balls are ugly too.
Ugly.
Ugly sinting. Yeah. Why the name just make it sausage them? Just so. Why you have to end on them two sinting the pan for? What that for? Eh? What them for? They look like amper.
No, sir. Susan said, ugly pum pum will make men walk on water. Suppose it pretty.
Yeah, right. Suppose it pretty.
Suppose.
Suppose.
Suppose it pretty.
Yes.
No,
yeah.
sir.
They look like hamper. Hamper. Yeah. Why they just make it sausage alone? Why have to juke on them two like a sinting this up? What are they for?
To look around.
Yeah, walk around with that. At least you want one flat.
It tuck away. For them ones just hang out.
Fair just hang down some.
For them ones just hang.
What that for?
In your face, hang.
Yeah. Ugly man. Ugly. Yeah. But it's all about the ugly pum pum tonight, yeah? When I think on the dog, get where? Company life and hi queens. Hi chocolate and vanilla. All this time we know. What on have ugly pum pum?
All the way, pum pum ugly.
Yeah. Hi chocolate and vanilla. Hi queen. How you doing? We're doing fine, ugly pum pum.
No. It don't matter if it's stretch out or stretch out, now you're ugly.
It's ugly, no matter if it's stretch or stretch not.
It could be
ugly.
It could be a virgin.
It could be
ugly.
Yes.
It ugly.
I look a baby, pum pum
Ugly.
It's ugly. Pum pum just ugly to me. Yeah. Pum pum is ugly. Yeah. Wow. I also feel them pum pum pretty.
Susan said her husband said pretty.
Yes, my husband tell me something me pretty too.
My husband said pretty too, but
I confess
it's ugly.
So me look on the little son of a bitch in a mirror. I'm like, Jesus, come out for me. Yes. Ugly.
Ugly man.
Ugly. For me husband think I pretty still.
Old, young,
All
don't
young
matter.
in a
Ugly.
matter. Yeah.
Ugly.
Ugly.
Pum pum.
It did look
ugly.
better when it did a Rastafari with hair upon it. Can't really say hide it. But the minute we go scrape it off and make it shine, and look on that like a thing, like a sit and look on me. So,
Then say you can't drink no more. You've had enough.
where you from? I saw you tell all this time.
Pum pum ugly man.
Yeah, we can't take you out and put you back when we need you. You have to follow me everywhere we go. No. Good thing me I hide you.
Good thing it hides.
Oh no, come over here.
And it,
That thing champagne.
and I know what I'm with it. And
Me not drunk. Me attacking truth. Me attacking truth. And I know say truth me attack. If you don't believe me, take a mirror tonight and surprise yourself.
go, all right.
Surprise yourself.
Go look in the mirror. Yeah.
Surprise.
Put a
Me
mirror
not
down.
talk about just preparing in a mirror, you know.
Skin it out.
Boy, you take a good look. Yeah. Like when you got a doctor. You understand? Yeah. Take a good look. Pay. You're gonna be like, yeah, you're ugly.
Skin it out. You ugly man.
Ugly man, ugly. You're ugly. My chicken done. My chicken I'm pretty, you see? Yeah, I'm pretty. Show them. Bring it down. Yeah. But they are shot almost burn them up. But then good. Then good. See, it have the nice grill mark and stuff. Yeah. And then me just make them soak, me turn it down. And see? Then me put a little bit more barbecue sauce now to wet them up. Yeah. And make them nice and pretty. Yeah. But yeah. Ugly, now look at my brush. Ugly, ugly. Ugly.
Ugly. Pum Pum ugly man.
Ugly. Ugly Pum Pum. Yes. Pum Pum.
No matter what. Right.
But men love it.
No matter what you try to do with it, it's still ugly.
It's still ugly. I don't care you try it because I have one little heart carve out. You could have put on a little tattoo. Kiss me. Kiss what? Kiss why you're ugly like. Ain't nobody want to kiss you.
Right.
Put tattoo about kiss me. Yeah. Nobody want to kiss you.
No, sir. Nobody want to kiss ugly sitting there.
Yeah, put a tattoo on it. A cute, yeah, try to be cute. Kiss me and put like a heart on it. Oh, yeah, try pretty up the little ugly thing. Try pretty it up.
No matter what you do. Let me beg you your grill.
Yeah? Come get it, man. Kiss me. Kiss me.
Hazel says she does. She looks funny every time cause when she shave.
Yeah, and what? It pretty.
It pretty, Hazel?
And that's you say, it pretty.
Hazel, it pretty?
It pretty. And that you want to come over here and say, it pretty. I try convince you, say, that can't get pretty.
No, so no matter what you do to it,
No matter
still
what you
ugly.
do it. Yeah, me say you could have put on like a tattoo panny.
You could have put some gold on it, it's still ugly.
You put on like a tattoo panny, like a heart. Yes, we know if it's nice to make it thing look. It all look pretty to him. You understand me? Yes. Can I look pretty to men? Yes. But for me not care where you want to do to it.
Me no business neither. It's ugly.
Ugly.
Pum Pum ugly.
It ugly. Ugly man. Yeah,
ugly
like a
bud.
Like a boat that we them put in there. Yeah, like a boat sitting there. Yeah. Me see some of them from porn movie boat look damaged. Yeah, like it was a wreck. Yeah. Some of them look worse than some. You understand? But bottom line, they're all ugly. Yeah.
Let me ask you, forgive them the name of this again.
Oh, Power XL. The name Power XL. Yeah, it's very nice.
They said your chicken's looking delicious.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Power XL. I forgot to ask Mike when buy it, but if you type it in, I'm sure it'll show you stores that carries it. But it's very good. It's very quiet. It doesn't smoke. You know what I'm saying? But it still give you like the grill effect. And when you don't want to go outside, I can use this. And when I don't want to use the oven,
yeah,
use this, and it doesn't make the place hot.
No.
You know, like the oven would make have to probably turn on the damn AC. Turn on the air, or turn on the fan over the stove. And it smoke.
Right,
You
and
know,
it's
it's
very,
something.
very quiet.
It's very quiet. No smoke at all.
No.
Yeah, so I would recommend it. It's very nice. Yeah? For now, till me get over it.
Right, for now.
Yes. But my beautiful kings and my beautiful queens, I open a still can look for way when we come back on live. I'm going to tell you son of Pum Pum ugly. And I come back and see we. Yeah, we're not all against you know. Cause all we have.
All we have.
All we have. Yeah? We're not opening up all against we. And I come back and say we call them Pum Pum ugly.
Pan
International Women's Day. We get up and call it walla on a Pum Pum ugly. I open and still come back and see we. Cause despite you know ugly Pum Pum, we love you. We're not loving you for no Pum Pum. You understand? So I take it personal. Yeah? We feel we own ugly. So let's roll together. Yeah, let's just roll together with our ugly Pum Pums.
Right.
You understand? We're just gonna call ourselves the ugly Pum Pum posse. Yeah. Ugly Pum Pum crew.
Yeah.
Yes. We know it ugly, but it's sweet and it's good. Yes. And it's clean and it's tight. But it's ugly. You understand?
Yeah.
It's ugly. When I come back and visit me here, ugly Pum Pums. Happy Women International
Women's Day.
From
Cheers.
chocolate and vanilla. Have a good night.
Right. Have a blessed
Love
night.
you guys.
Love you guys.
And there's nothing you can do about it. All right?
Hope
Stay
we
there with
can
your
do that.
ugly Pum Pum.
That's right.
We love you now.
Love you guys.
Good night.
Bye-bye.